G'day, here's a few pieces of Boulder Opal from central Queensland, Australia. I'll zoom in so I can show you a bit better. Okay, I've zoomed in. These have been basically put together for you to get the feel for cutting Boulder Opal. Like that piece there. What you need to do is grind it down a bit more. Some of the pieces have just been thrown in. Maybe you want to make a little stone out of the top of it. Same with that piece. Colour bar underneath here, but doesn't have a lot of promise. This piece on the other hand might have something, or you can just cut it in faces the way it is and make pendants out of it. It's a nice hard piece. Stone there. Again, cut it off, cut it out. Something like this, you have to decide which pieces you're going to sacrifice to cut the colour off, but I'd say that's probably going to be the top. But as you can see, it's undulating as well. Again here, colours in that seam, or the opal. These pieces, again, you can either chase the bar of opal, which is going to end up a stone, that's going to be taken off. Maybe perhaps then make that in just an interesting little patterned pendant. Again, probably a little pendant. Not so much colour in that piece. Sometimes these seams are where the better opal is. There's no guarantees, of course, with this material. It's been put together as a practice. Get the feel for the opal. There's a natural cabochon shape there, dome. Anyway, I think you've got an idea. Cheers.